Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Callie Cat? Say hi. Say hi. I've been taking a bath, Mom. Okay, so today I've got a few things I'm going to film for y'all today. But the first thing I'm going to film is, I'm going to put this away. I'm not going to do the makeup right now. I'm going to do jewelry. Y'all, I got my Rocksbox in. You know we love Rocksbox. $21 a month. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. You're renting it. You send it back when you're done wearing it. You can buy it if you want to. And really, the more you buy, the more of a discount you're going to get later on. That $21 is credited to you if you do want to keep and purchase anything in here. So I really love that. Your $21 of credit runs out at the end of the month. You can get multiple boxes in a month if you send it back quickly, but it doesn't charge you anything extra. So really cool. I think I got an update on the email telling me that I had gotten 58 pieces of jewelry over the year. I've been with Rocksbox for a year and 2 months now. It told me how many boxes I've gotten. Very cool. You know, what level of discount I get, things like that. So they send you this bubble bag. You do keep it because it's resealable and you send back whatever you don't want to keep. So here is the Rocksbox box. Isn't that pretty? And inside will be the 3 pieces of jewelry. I'm dropping it already. Hey, gorgeous. And on the back is your care instructions. Pretty much tells you, you know, don't get it wet. Don't put it on until your makeup is set and dry. Don't put perfume on with the, you know, while you're wearing the jewelry, stuff like that. If you do clean it, to use the little bags that they come in. That's pretty much what all that says. Yay! And Miss Bonnie Faye has joined us. Hey, Miss Bonnie Faye, what are you doing? Oh, she was being such a terror last night. She was torturing poor Callie Cat. Callie went to jump on the recliner. I had my feet put up. And Bonnie just attacked her and made her fall. And they both fell to the ground. And Callie hid underneath my chair, so I couldn't get up and do anything about it. And Bonnie was just like circling my chair. And I was sitting there, I was like, what am I going to do to get her to stop? So I was waving a fork at her. I was like, you better behave. She finally just got bored and walked off, but poor Callie was terrified. I don't know, she gets in these moods where she just wants to terrorize her. Anyways, inside the box, you do have your 3 bags of jewelry. Then you have your pricing sheet, and on the back of that is the return label that you would put on the bag to send everything back. So let's see what's in here. I know I approved it, but I don't remember what everything was. And I'm hoping it's something good because today is today the 31st? It may be. Yeah, it may be the last day of the year. And so my credit will run out if I don't keep something. But that's okay because I still think it's worth it to be renting the jewelry for the month. And, you know, you're constantly getting new jewelry in, so you're always fresh, not wearing the same thing over and over. I really like it. So here is what was in the first bag. Got makeup on my hands. Imagine that. All right, so here it is. You can't see it. Let's try this way. Look at the pretty danglies. Oh, studs on top and bottom going all the way through. Let's just put them on. By the way, everything is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about germs and things like that. So that's something else I do like. We like the sanitizer around here. Okay, so it's got the back little Huggie, and it's got the dangly. And I think you put, uh-oh, Mama's calling. Sorry about that. You know, with the COVID going around like it is crazy, when my mama calls, I answer. Here are the earrings. I really think it's interesting how that part goes on the back and it just shows the stud in the front. It makes it a really cute detail and a nice little dressy earring. Oh my goodness, Callie Cat, y'all. Oh, the fur. This weather we've been having, the animals don't know whether to shed or not. I mean, it's It's 62 today, and in a couple days, I think they're calling for flurries, and it'll be 30 something. Oh, crazy, crazy weather. These are the Luv AJ, the Sylvie Stone drop studs in silver. Original price is $75, and my member price, I think I get like 5% off at this point, is $72. What do we think of the earrings? Fun to wear once or twice, but I probably wouldn't purchase them. Let's keep going. Ooh, this is another set of earrings, and these are perrystreet. Y'all, look how pretty. Oh, those are cute. So this is the perrystreet Kelly Huggies in silver and sapphire. Original price is $50. My price would be $42. Let me take these off and put those on. Not the easiest to get on and off, let me tell you. How do you open? There's some that just close. To take a little effort to find the clasp in the back, just, you know, to get it in that little spot. You know how these earrings do. There we go. What do we think? I gotta look in the mirror and see what these look like. Oh, those are cute, bright, sparkly. I love a bright, sparkly. What do we think? Do we like them? Do we not like them? Are they too much? Okay, I actually had requested this one. I put it in my wish list for Christmas. And I guess I didn't get it for Christmas. I got it for New Year's. So I don't know that I'm in love with that. But this is the Sophie Harper Snowflake Necklace in silver. Original price is $35, and my member price would be $38. So I figured out I don't have any like holiday jewelry. Everything is kind of just generic. It's not, no snowflakes, no snowmen, no reindeer, nothing like that. I was really surprised. I figured I had it somewhere, but nope. Even look through my like kid jewelry, you know, the stuff I had when I was like 7 and 8. Couldn't find anything. Like, really, what's going on here? All right, I think I got it buckled that time. So very cute, just a cute little snowflake. Oh, very adorable. Look at how sweet that is. It did have an adjustable clasp. For some reason, I was having a hard time getting it buckled. Let me put it longer. I think my coordination's off lately, y'all. There we go. Very cute. Very cold weathery, which is not here today. So y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. Should I keep any of the, oh, my wedding ring's gone. I forget to put it on. Let me know what you think. What I should keep. What I should just wear for a little while. Send back what you like, what you don't like. If everything is kept, by the way, you do get a discount of $10 for all, if you keep all 3 items. My total, if I kept all 3 of my items, if I, you know, I'd get the $10 off, I'd get my $21 credit and my rose gold rewards discount, which was $7.60. I would get all this jewelry for $113.40. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to keep it all. If I keep anything, honestly, it'd probably be the Snowflake Necklace. Even though it's kind of seasonal, I couldn't wear it all the time. I would really enjoy wearing it in the fall season. So y'all, let me know what you think. Comment below. If you want to try Rocksbox, I do have a code. It lets you get your first box free. And you'll also get $25 of forever credit. That means it's credit that doesn't expire. You can use it whenever you want to. So if you want to do that, my code is GINAPBFF45. I will put it over here for you, maybe over here somewhere, over in that area. So I hope you'll use the link. If you do, it really does help me. I appreciate it so very much. It helps me to keep bringing you content. So actually, I got this from Rocksbox too, if you're wondering. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy New Year, and God bless.